Yeah, he's here. Yeah. Okay. Advanced video. Here it goes. Okay. Name of the collection. I bet you have been brainstorming names for your collection. Well, this is where you put it on display name, but you'll have to start brainstorming a name that goes around your collection that has to be 12 characters long, no uppercases, not nothing, no signs, and you need to make sure this is original as well. You're going to use this more than the display name. This is just a display name. This is what you're going to use for collabs and everything else around that. Avatar, this is going to be the first image that people are going to see, so you need to make sure you have a cool one too, right? This is like a profile picture, just like on Facebook and anything else, but this is for your NFT collection, right? How do you do this? How do you get your hash? Now we're getting into a more interesting topic. The hash is basically on the cloud image that's gonna be your NFTs as well, right? They're gonna be bound by that, so they're gonna pool when people are watching your NFT, which is information on the blockchain. They're gonna pool this hash number, right? And it's gonna be on cloud, right? So I'm using Pinata, right, for most right now, but they have, if you put excessive, there's gonna be a price. So maybe you want to find another cloud. This is good for beginning, right? There is also Atomic Hub has their own cloud API. You can create here, upload to a certain amount, then copy that hash and paste it right here. Then tags, in my opinion, there's like 3 categories, but yeah, if you want to be more into it, you can like just put as many as you see your NFT collection being, but in my opinion is art, gaming, and then as meme, right? I didn't want to start with meme first, so there you go. A description, right? Whatever your collection is all about. Market fees. This is going to be how much you're going to take from secondary market as well, right? I usually leave it at 5, but you never know. Depends. Website URL. This is going to be your website, obviously. You're gonna have to put a website. You definitely need one. There's no way around it. Twitter handle, you need that. Discord, I would suggest you do Discord at least, or Telegram, right? Facebook, these are like not obligatory. You need a website for sure, right? Which you find easy ways to easy providers for websites too. Creator information, this is if you have like a company and all that, right? Address and save. Now if you have like a game, right, let's say you want to do a game and you want to do a collection for that game, you definitely need a company, right? If you do like a meme, that's okay. If it blows up, obviously you're gonna need a company then too, but mostly is for games. Now when you create your collection, if it's for art, right, obviously the art needs to be top notch, and or just, you know, you need to make sure you build up to it, and you know, I'm gonna get there at some point. I'm gonna work, but you gotta understand, if you're not there yet, you're not gonna have the best sales in the world, right? This is what gives value to NFTs. Is it really beautiful? Is it usable? Does it get me something? So for instance, in games, you'll be using those NFTs to do certain things, right? So that's gonna bring value to the game. Mining, again, it's like a game. You do something with that NFT, gives you something back. So you do something. But in art, right, it just looks okay. I myself am in art, right? I'm trying to improve my art, so this is what I do. I don't have a game, I don't need a company. But if you have a game, then obviously you need a company. If you have a meme, again, you need to be the funniest ever so you can have a lot of sales, right? So this is what brings value to the NFTs. So you need to keep that in mind when you put the tags in, when you put your description. You need to be on point, right? Keep it simple, right? At the same time, don't keep it too simple, right? Try and like put a couple words there, but not like hundreds, because nobody wants to read through a roman when they're doing like a little bit of reading about your collection, right? So that's it. Advanced, I would say you're good to go, right? Make sure you're doing right. Let's keep it a little bit more. Make sure you're doing like website, right? And then make sure you're doing whitelist, right? So just as you took a lot of thinking into this description, then with the whitelist you go and do more advanced breakdown of your collection, right? There are templates of whitelist there, and that's where you need your website, right? It's where you put your whitelist so everybody can see what your collection will be looking in the future, what's your goals, what the time frame, timeline, wherever, you know, everything about the collection if they want to go more in depth, right? So that's why you definitely need a website to look good and all that, you know, easy. After everybody's hooked, maybe from your awesome description, they go to the website. And Discord or Telegram's somewhere for people to hang around, right? If you have a YouTube channel, depending, right? So people have more tutorials and all that. If it's a game, you know, it's definitely necessary. There you go. I hope you have fun. Good luck. Tell me how it goes. Leave a like, a comment, and yeah, see you next.